everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at our Countertop certified warmer. Okay, so this is going to be a Bain Marie warmer. Okay, so you're looking at 3 containers over here in the top. Okay, this also fits a full-size pan. So if you want to go ahead and, add a full-size pan, you can do that to this unit. For this unit, it'll include 3 pans. Okay, so it's going to be 3 small pans. As I mentioned, it's going to be certified by the health department. Over here on the side of the unit or the warmer, you can locate a sticker with more information. You got your model, volts, okay, you got your hertz, power, okay. And on the other side, we have a plug, which is going to be a standard US plug, 110 volt, okay. Also on the side, we have a drain for the water. We have an on and off switch for the heating, and we have our temperature adjuster, which is 90 to 200 Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's the temperature range for the heating of the water. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open one of these containers. I'll measure the container. I'll also measure the inside, just so that way you know. So for this container, you're looking at 6.5 by 12 inches. Okay, and the depth, or from the bottom to the top, you're looking at 6 inches. Okay, same applies for the pan here. For the container, you're looking at 12 by 6.5. Okay, and as you can see on the inside, there's your drain for the water, which will obviously come out through here, through this tube right here, okay, which is your drain. Okay, so we'll be provided with 3 of these pans with the lids. It is a Countertop Bain Marie warmer. So if you're interested in one of these units, feel free to go on the website coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding this warmer, including the price. If you have any other questions regarding this warmer, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.